I want to teach him how to play dead. She needs to learn how to play dead.
First, there's.
You take the leash off?
No.
Let's take the leash off.
I was thinking about it.
Come here, baby girl.
Hey, don't be adding another baby girl to the mix. There's enough of us.
Call her Ochiko. Come on. She likes when I call her Ochiko.
Yeah, no.
What? What's wrong with Ochiko?
Ochi girl?
Ochiko. Ochiko. Ochiko.
How about Chica?
No. No, Kiwi. No.
Kiwi. Ooh, Kiwi.
No.
Ask Jelly.
What strawberry?
Coconut? Ashido. No coconut.
Can I put it?
Ashido.
Let's call her coconut.
I think Ashido is good.
No, let's call her coconut. That's
But she
my
doesn't even look
Coco.
like coconut.
no coconut. That's my
Coco for sure.
Coco? Maybe.
no.
We'll put that on the list of considerations.
No, let's call her coconut. That's my teacher's dog name.
Oh.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
So soft. You're such a brat.
I'm not.
So what is she again?
Looks like she's a Labrador and a pit mix.
Labrador, that's what you said. I don't know why I was thinking Doberman.
So what I suggest we do for now, I think we should take her with us so we can fit the harness right.
Yeah.
We want a harness. We don't want the thing around her neck.
Yeah.
Or you know what? We can leave her here.
No.
But what I suggest we do for the time being is have her in the kitchen with those doors closed.
Right, well, it was either that or my room, so.
I don't want to get her a crate. I want to get her a bed. You know what I mean?
I don't like crates.
For now,
But what happens when we have to leave? Isn't that what the crate is for? So that she doesn't hurt herself?